Grand Ginger. Start by filling a glass with ice. And then, as the name would suggest, you're going to need some ginger ale. So I'm going to put the ginger ale in first, before the Grand Marnier, because the ginger ale is very light. Grand Marnier is very heavy, so it will start our mixing for us. So there we go, I'm pouring 1.5 measures of Grand Marnier. I'm also going to put a lime wedge. I'm going to squeeze that in now, and then discard that. Finish topping up my ginger ale. Stir, and then finish with another lime wedge. That's the Grand Ginger.